Hi, thanks for watching this video from vacuumadvisors.com. This is a review of the Electrolux Ultra Active Bagless Canister Vacuum. Compact storage. A telescopic wand and ErgoShock storage solution keep the Ultra Active compact and tidy when not in use. Powerful cyclonic technology. Bagless cyclonic technology, a 12-amp motor, and deep clean power head provide a deep, powerful clean for all surfaces. Easy Empty Dust Cup. With the touch of a button, the Easy Empty Dust Cup releases dirt and debris into the trash.